Welcome to Total Technik. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the centre grille, lower centre grille from the bumper on the Audi A6, S6 and RS6. This particular one we're working on today is an RS6, so let's get started. For the lower centre grille, all that really is holding it in is a series of kind of plastic clips around the outside frame. So they're relatively easy to get off. Usually find it's easier to start in one of the bottom corners. And give it a wiggle, like so. Work your way across to the other corner, like so. The top sometimes a little bit harder to come off, but as you can see, just there. Just work gently with it, like so. So as you can see there, what it is like a little series of clips that just kind of pop into place, almost like little compression. See these two little kind of arrows here. Little compression clips, and these are just guides, and we've got the same on the bottom edge there. We've got three of these type of compression clips along the bottom edge. So that's it, simple as that. That's how to remove the lower bumper grille.